As they crested a small hill, Emily gasped in awe. Before her lay a hidden valley, bathed in golden light, with a sparkling river running through it. But what truly captivated her were the enormous boulders scattered throughout the valley, each one covered in ancient markings. They looked like stories etched into stone, whispering the history of the mountain itself. In the center of the valley stood an old, wise-looking tree, its branches stretching wide like welcoming arms. Emily felt an unexpected pull to approach it. She placed her hand on its rough bark, and in that moment, she heard the wind rustling through the leaves, carrying with it secrets of the past.